In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Google Stitch files into Figma. By the end, you'll have your Stitch export neatly imported into Figma and ready to work with. First, start by downloading your Stitch file as a zip. When you export from Stitch, make sure the format is set to zip so all assets and metadata stay bundled together. Save it somewhere easy to find, like your Downloads folder or a project folder on your desktop. If the file name is long or unclear, consider renaming the zip so you can quickly recognize it in the next step. Next, go to Figma. You can use the desktop app or the browser version. Both work fine. Make sure you're signed in and that you have the Figma file or project open where you want the content to land. Keeping the target file open will help the import place everything in the right spot. Look at the lower bar in Figma and click on Apps. This is where Figma keeps plugins and integrations. If you don't immediately see the Apps option, ensure your Figma is up to date or expand the bottom bar to reveal additional icons. In the Apps panel, locate the tool called Stitch to Figma. Use the search field and type Stitch to find it quickly. Double-check that you're selecting the importer designed for Stitch files so the structure, components, and assets map correctly when brought into Figma. Now click on Run. This launches the importer interface in a small panel, usually docked to the right. Give it a second to load. Once it's ready, you'll see controls that let you choose and process your Stitch zip. Click on Browse File. Your operating system's file picker will open. This is where you point the importer to the zip you downloaded earlier. Locate your downloaded file and select it. Navigate to the folder where you saved the zip, confirm it's the correct and most recent export, and open it. If the importer warns about an invalid file, double-check that the file is indeed a zip and that it wasn't partially downloaded. Finally, click on Add All. The importer will bring in everything that's included in your Stitch package, such as frames, components, and images. Depending on the size of your zip, this can take a moment. Avoid closing the panel while it's working. Once it finishes, you should see the imported content organized in your Layers panel, ready for editing, relabeling, and prototyping. That's the full process. If something doesn't look right, re-export the zip from Stitch and try again. Otherwise, you're ready to design, iterate, and share inside Figma.